Sup guys, it's Plushberry here. Welcome back to another OpenBVE video. Today we are on the Waterloo and City line on the class 482 1992 stock. Oh god. Okay, so let's just jump in here. It's the 98th video I'm actually recording. I'm actually gonna make a big 99th and 100th episode. So we have to press delete to insert the driver's thingamajiggy key. Let's do that. Page down twice if you don't want a big alarm to sound. And yeah. So now we have to press spacebar to take the TBC out of Stowe. This train was made by BVE Western region, so go to them. The big 100th video, parts 1 and 2, well the 99th video is going to be part 1, 100th video is going to be part 2, of another train and route made by BVE Western region. This route wasn't made by BVE Western region, it just required a class 482. Again, we are going from Waterloo to Bank. And when I arrive at Bank platform 8, I actually have to teleport to Bank platform 7. So there are a few bugs in this route where you can't see the track sometimes, you can't see the terminal sometimes. Oh god, and there is a bug in my keyboard. And sometimes it's just like gets stuck. So yeah. I actually always decide going slow on this. Like with this computer or something. I mean, this computer doesn't have the best graphics, so I am getting a good graphics card for it. If you see a graphics card for Dell Latitude E4310, it's the i5 version. Give me a shout out, maybe in the comments or something. Or possibly on my Pop Jam, if you have Pop Jam. I mean, this YouTube channel is for kids, and kids go to Pop Jam. So yeah, try out my Pop Jam maybe. Okay, we are arriving at the so-called station 2, where we apparently have to open the doors in the middle of the tunnel, which is a little dumb. So let's do that. Oh god, croaky throat. I think there is one point where you can't hear the traction motor, maybe. I have no idea. All I know is that I love this game so much. And I knew a lot about trains ever since I was 2 years old. And I just want to read my past because my past was much more happier than it is today. Like Corona. Take Corona for example. It's terrible! And the fact that we are not making anything on channel Plush is mainly just for breaking. Windows XP. Not really very fancy doing that anymore. Actually about to come up to this. Okay, here are the next stations. Station 2. Oh, this is an amber light. This is yellow. Oh! Where I need to stop here. But anyway. Yes, if you pass the signal of danger, I think you need to press. Wait, usually I can't stop. yeah, basically we are going from Waterloo to Bank. Don't know if we'll be able to go from Bank to Waterloo. Station 3, station 3. Okay, so here's a big crossing to station 3.
Okay, see. Am I going to the depot and reforming as 421?
If you actually press escape and then jump to station, you'll find that on the map on my left, you're not really on Black Bank platform 7, but you should be. Oh, let's do a little interior because I totally adore seeing the crossings from the interior. It's the best bit in the whole world, you know. As you can hear, we've got some nice, lovely announcements on this beautiful train. It's supposed to be like my favorite. And then after this we're gonna teleport, or because we don't really have enough time, we're probably just gonna wait over here. Stay here, stay tuned. I am always on YouTube. Sometimes, I mean, it's been a very big while since I've actually recorded a video, sorry about that, guys. I've got some stuff with a new job. No, not really a job. No, not really good jobs. Gonna arrive at Waterloo very slowly. Yeah, so the train actually sounds like it's going really slow. Really, it looks like it's going very fast. It's a weird problem. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely like and subscribe. Oh, look! Look, that's me! That's me. I look very weird, you know. I have longer hair than that. Even though I'm not a girl. Oh no. Big bug again. In my keyboard. Because I've got a sticky keyboard. Like, you know. I don't want to get sticky keys. Well, I do have the app. Oh. Let's open the doors. Yeah, this actually, here's a little history. This actually used to be part of British Rail. It's true. Used to be part of British Rail. So yeah, I don't think we have enough time. Oh god. Probably gonna do a little bit of this off camera. Been off camera for a very long time trying to download a bunch of stuff. Oh god, the key's getting sticky off. This one's crafty, dodge it out. Cause it is his. Anyways guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, definitely like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to share. Wear your face covering on the London Underground.